Okay, so this is unboxing number 2. I'm pretty sure I know what this is. I'm gonna try my best not to show any parties information. This person could have used something a lot smaller than this huge thing for such a tiny book. They did not have to use this thing. Not going to show anyone's like their personal information, so I'm trying my best not to show any personal information. And let's see. Oh, yep, mouse. This is in really good condition. Let's see. '86 printing. Okay, so yeah, picked up a mouse, which actually I've sold a couple. We sold a couple copies, and we have a couple copies that we just need to scan of Art Spiegelman's band book. Peace out, and I will upload both of these things. Peace out.